April the 23rd, 2021. Guys, it's 2:56 p.m. here in central Mississippi, which is Central Daylight Time. And we've got weather moving across the nation. Now, if you look at Northern California and up through Oregon and Washington, some much-needed moisture may be coming your way, guys. Now, when you start seeing go from that blue to the green, you're starting actually getting some of the lighter rain. And, we talked about the drought there and really across the entire Southwest, Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and through the entire area. So any moisture will be better than none. Right now, it's better than just having a continuous dry spell. Now, I don't know how much is going to fall yet. You guys can check your local weather. We'll find out as the storms come in and as the weather comes in. And if you look over just east of the Four Corners area, coming up through New Mexico, up into Colorado and that area, you're getting some moisture there. Now, it's been much cooler than in Colorado, especially. I saw where Denver has their second winter just a few days ago. But it's been cooler there, and we are in grand solar minimum. We're not at the bottom of it yet. We will warm back up through the peak of this cycle, but the cycles are declining each 11.8 years. That's where we're at right now. Now, we do have problems along the Mississippi River at this time. Dallas and Fort Worth, you're under severe thunderstorm warnings. The entire area, that side of Texas, East Texas, Louisiana, all the way to the Mississippi River into Mississippi, are tornado watches. You got flood warning also in Texas from some of these heavy thunderstorms. But guys in Mississippi and Alabama, Tennessee, overnight you're going to see these tornado watches move into our area. We'll take a look at that. You can see here the Dallas-Fort Worth area right now. It's a tornado watch, severe thunderstorm watch area, but now you're in severe thunderstorm warnings. So heed that because, guys, that's where you're going to usually find your pop-up tornadoes. Taking a look at the National Weather Service's map, as you've got in the yellow coming again from Louisiana to the Mississippi River in southwest Mississippi, tornado watches in the yellow. You've got severe thunderstorm watches in this purple, in these orange areas right there and there, Dallas-Fort Worth area. You've got severe thunderstorm warnings. This is wind warnings. You've got red flag warnings, no burn situation in large areas of the country. California, you're dealing with winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories here. That could help if you get some more snow and it builds up into some of the reservoirs. Now, they're saying that Northern California is in worse shape than Southern California from some of the things I've been reading about as far as the water table. But just keep an eye on it because it is predicted to be a rough summer. Lake Mead was down to 11% capacity a few weeks ago. So 11% is a lot, and if it's going to be worse than that, you're not going to get much water out of it. But again, I'm going to keep the video short. I'm going to show you one radar and get it uploaded. But right now, there's no tornado warnings, but let's get it out there. You check on your friends in this area and family and let them know that things could get rough overnight, guys. But again, here, let's look at the radar real quick. Now, this particular combination of satellite and radar is called nighttime microphysics. What we're looking at if you look at the red areas, that's where your stronger storms are. And as they go to black, that's the next level up, especially on the back edges of some of these that we're seeing coming out of Texas now. But also notice here in north central Louisiana, you've got a system building that's headed over to the Vicksburg area, north of there, up until the Greenwood area. So pay attention to that, and it's up into Oklahoma. It's starting to build. You're going to see some of these watches and warnings move east, and it's very likely that we could see some tornadoes overnight. Again, the tornado warnings, or watches, now extend from Texas up into the Mississippi River in Louisiana. That will be moving east. We're watching it. You watch it. It's a heads up. Be safe.